How to set a custom theme in Messenger using your own picture. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set custom theme in Messenger using your own picture in just few easy steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just go to the chat where you want to change the theme. And now here, once you're inside the chat section, just tap on the info icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside this section, you can just tap on customize option. And now here in this section, what you can do is you can just tap on this option that says upload an image. And here, once you tap on it, you can simply choose the picture that you would like to use. And now here, once you have selected the picture that you would like to use, you can customize it as needed. And once you're done with it, you can just tap on save. And here, once you have done that, you can just tap on this option, or you can just tap on select to apply the theme. And that's it. That's how you can set a customized theme on Messenger. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.